Let's sidetrack a bit. Let's say we're at a party, and this party is in a triangular room. And these black dots are people, and they're roaming around the party. Now, let's say we locate some food in a corner, some dessert in the other corner, and some music in the other one. So people get drawn to these corners and start walking towards them. Some people like music, others food, others dessert. Some people like this point on the left are undecided between food and dessert, so they stay in the middle. But normally, they tend to walk to the red areas and away from the blue ones. And now let's say we do the opposite. We put a lion on one corner, fire on the other one, and radioactive waste on the other one. So now people will do the opposite. They'll stay away from the corners and gravitate towards the center. They tend to go to the red area, which is now in the middle, and stay away from the blue areas. So we have our three scenarios: when we put nice things on the corners, when we put nothing, and we put dangerous things. These are examples of Dirichlet distributions. In these triangles, the dots have more probability of being in the red areas than in the blue ones. We'll see more on this later, but Dirichlet distributions have parameter at the corners. If the parameters are small, say 0.7, 0.7, and 0.7, then we get the one in the left. If they're all ones, then we get the one in the middle. And if they're all big, say 5, then we get the one in the right. We can think of the parameters as repelling factors. If they are large, they push the points away, and if they're small, they pull the points closer to them. So here's a quiz. If the black dots are documents and the corners of the triangle are our three topics, science, politics, and sports, which of these distributions would be the best one for picking our documents? This is a slightly vague question, but try to go with your intuition.